In this video, we'll be looking at the main guitar parts for Jamie T's song Sheila, as played live on Jools Holland, June 2022. This song is super easy to play, the same chord progression throughout, standard tuning, and no capo. The main riff starts on the 10th fret of the high E string. We're going to hit that twice. Then go to the 12th fret on the B string with the third finger and hit that twice. 10th fret on the B string with the first finger and hit that twice. Then we're going to go to the 12th fret of the G string with the third finger and hit that twice. And then before we start, we hit the G string again and go back through the whole riff again. We're actually going to play this main riff in a strumming style, so whilst we're playing the individual notes, we're going to mute the other strings with our fingers around there so we don't hear all the other strings. But we don't want to hear this. And here. So. The main guitar rhythm sounds like this. The rhythm for the main guitar part is a muted strum down. I have the left hand on the strings but not applying any pressure, so we get that muted sound. I'm going to put the pressure down for a down up strum. Release the pressure on the left hand immediately after. Then we have a down up muted strum. Then we're going to hit the chord again, down strum, and release the pressure immediately. So. Twice. And we've got the same rhythm for the other chords as well, so the E at the 7th fret of the A, D at the 10th fret of the E, and the C at the 8th fret of the E. Okay, so play that slowly. To speed. For more guitar tutorials, check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.